How to use crypto.com app. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Help Tech. In this video, I will show you how to use the crypto.com app and show you how to access the features like paying through the app, earn, supercharging, etc. Now, crypto.com is a company that is making it easy for buying, selling, trading, and spending cryptocurrency by anyone. Their best product is the cryptocurrency debit card that gives you a cashback in CRO, which means crypto.com currency. And there are so many, if any, debit cards out there that rewards their users with cashback. And if you're watching this video, you already have the card, but if you don't, have a look at this video to learn more about crypto.com. Now, to begin with the tutorial of the app, what you have to do is open the crypto.com app and then click on the home icon to see the menu. When you are on the main menu, you will see all the app's features. Now, right over here, from here is the easiest way to operate the app, and we will start from top to the bottom to see some of the features. So click Crypto Wallet. And after that, what you will see is you'll find the option called crypto wallets. Now, there are 4 icons on the screen. One is if you want to buy cryptocurrency. 2 is if you want to sell cryptocurrency you have. The 3rd is you could buy gift cards, top up your mobile, scan and paying directly via the QR code with CRO tokens and send crypto to your friends directly. 4th option is transfer, and with this one you could deposit your cryptocurrency in the app or withdraw crypto to external wallet. The next we're looking at is the track coins. The second option from the menu is called track coins. Here you could select your favorite cryptocurrencies and track their price performance. To do so, click the bell icon and then choose your favorites. The next we have is the Fiat Wallet. Now, here you could transfer money from a bank account to your crypto.com account. After that, you have the recurring buy. Recurring buy option is something that you could set up buying cryptocurrency of your own choice on a weekly, bi-weekly or monthly basis. And what you have to do is you just can click the setup button, and with that says recurring buy, choose the cryptocurrency and select frequency. You also can confirm the day of the week and select the card that you would like to pay. The next on the list we have crypto.com Visa card. Now, the card menu in top of the crypto.com is where you are controlling your spending. Here you could convert crypto in your local currency and spend it anywhere a Visa is accepted. To do so, you need to click the option 1, which is top up. Then the second option is to exchange, where you can exchange fiat, for example GBP to euros. And option 3 is send, where you could transfer local currency to a friend. And option 4 is where you track your spending. And option 5 is the place where you could see the card details such as your PIN as well as your card number. The next you have the feature called Supercharger. Now, with the Supercharger feature in crypto.com, you could lock CRO tokens, which means crypto.com tokens, for a period of time and get rewarded in cryptocurrency. You need to keep an eye on your app to know the projects in the Supercharger. After that, you also have earn feature. Now, crypto earn is an option where you are getting paid interest on your cryptocurrency by locking it for a period of time. It's just like a fixed deposit like on a bank account. The next you have is the rewards. Now, here you could see the bonuses of your referrals. Each time someone signs up with a referral, you both are getting $25 for free. Then you have your referral bonus. You can share your crypto.com referral code with friends and family to get rewarded $25 each. And after that, from the main menu of the crypto.com app, you can access every feature of the app, and it is probably the easiest way to do so. And that's all it takes to use the crypto.com app. I hope I covered as much basic as possible for you to understand, at least get started with using the crypto.com application. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.